everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making this cute keychain. It's a cow keychain and it's my very first not with me. So I'm just attaching my bass strings onto the binder ring, and I'm using this bulk string that I got from Amazon, which I'll put in the description down below. So I'm just starting off the bracelet with a couple of blank rows, and then I'm following the pattern. Sorry for the blinking screen, that's really annoying, so I tried to move it. So yeah. And as you could tell, I'm in a different setup than usual. This is my desk, and it's easier to film here. It's easier to make bracelets here because it's more stable. So the black part of my desk is more stable than the other area that I was filming in. So yeah, but I usually don't like to film here because it's artificial light. But I might film here in the future because it's just easier to do. So for this bracelet I used the straight edges technique as well as the flat alpha technique. Those really helped my bracelet because, my keychain. Those really helped my keychain because it made it a lot neater. And I'm fairly new to alphas. I've only made like 2 alphas before, I think. The first one was the cloud one, which I'll link in the description. That one's really good for beginners. And then I'm making this watermelon one right now. And those, I didn't use the flat alpha technique and they still turn out kind of messy. And then I discovered this flat alpha technique through MASHA video, and that video is really good. I'll link it also in the description. And it made my bracelets a lot neater. So this cow keychain is pretty much neat because of the flat alpha technique, and it's really flat. So I ran out of strings a lot of times here. I think I just underestimated how much string I need. And yeah, so yeah. And here it's a lighting change. That's because it's filmed throughout the day, and this was basically like at 5:30 I think, and 5:30 p.m. is where the sun really shines through my room. So yeah, and you can see the background moving, which I think looks really cool. So I'm just coming to a close here in this cow keychain. Just finishing it up and making the tail. And yeah, I really like how it turned out. It took me about 2 hours to make. And yeah. Alright, so this is the final result. I think the cow looks really cute. It's gonna go on my sister's AirPods case. And here's what the back of it looks like. It's pretty messy. But yeah, I think you should definitely try to make it. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider liking or subscribing. See you next time!